Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on the UNAS-Pro on how to enable file execution on the Samba share. First we need to open the settings, then go to the control plane, open the console, and now we need to enable SSH access. Here you need to type in secret password and click enable. After that we can open PowerShell to connect to the console. For that, just type SSH root and the IP address of your NAS and press enter. After that, type in your password and now we're connected to the console. Now we need to go to the folder where the settings are stored. Now we need to install Nano for editing. After installing Nano, just type nano share conf, and now you see all the listing configs for your Samba shares you have enabled. And for enabling the file execution, just type rcl allow execute always equals yes. Now save. Now we just need to reload the config. And that's it. Now you can open all executed files directly from the Samba share. And that's all you have to do. Thanks for following this tutorial. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.